Mental health is essential. It impacts every aspect of our lives, influencing how we think, feel, and act. From our emotions to our relationships, mental health plays a crucial role. Our mental well-being shapes our overall health, guiding our ability to handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Unfortunately, mental health disorders are on the rise, affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. Millions of people around the world struggle with conditions like depression, anxiety, and PTSD, often in silence. The demand for mental health services is increasing, putting a strain on existing resources. Yet, access to care remains a significant challenge, with many unable to find the help they need. This is where the power of artificial intelligence comes in, offering new ways to support mental health care and improve outcomes. Accessing mental health care can be difficult. Long wait times, high costs, and a shortage of professionals create barriers. Many people, especially in underserved communities, face these obstacles. AI has the potential to break down these barriers. AI-powered tools can provide support and resources to those who need them most. This accessibility is crucial for improving mental health outcomes. AI is transforming mental health care through innovative tools. Chatbots, for example, provide 24/7 support. They offer a safe space for individuals to discuss their concerns. These AI-powered companions can offer coping mechanisms and resources. Another powerful tool is predictive analytics. By analyzing data, AI can identify individuals at risk of developing mental health conditions. This early intervention is critical for preventing more serious issues. A new era of personalized mental health care. One of the most promising aspects of AI is its ability to personalize care. AI algorithms can analyze an individual's data, including their medical history, lifestyle, and even social media activity. This analysis helps create tailored treatment plans. Imagine receiving mental health care that is specifically designed for you. This personalized approach can greatly improve the effectiveness of treatment. Pause. 3S. Real-world success. AI making a difference. The positive impact of AI in mental health is already evident. From innovative apps to advanced diagnostic tools, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach mental health care. Studies have shown that AI-powered tools can be effective in treating conditions like anxiety and depression. These tools offer personalized support and can be accessed anytime, providing a lifeline for those in need. For example, researchers at Stanford University found that a chatbot designed to deliver cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, significantly reduced symptoms of anxiety in participants. This breakthrough highlights the potential of AI to provide scalable and accessible mental health solutions. These success stories demonstrate the real-world potential of AI in transforming mental health care. By integrating AI into treatment plans, healthcare providers can offer more effective and efficient care, ultimately improving patient outcomes and quality of life. A future of hope. AI's potential in mental health. The future of AI in mental health care is incredibly promising. With each passing day, new advancements are being made that bring us closer to a more integrated and effective mental health care system. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and effective tools. Imagine AI-powered virtual therapists that can provide support anytime, anywhere, personalized mental health apps that adapt to individual needs, and predictive models that can prevent crises before they even occur. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and provide early warnings. AI has the potential to revolutionize how we approach mental health care, making it more accessible and personalized. By integrating AI into our mental health systems, we can offer more precise diagnoses and tailored treatment plans. By embracing these advancements, we can create a world where everyone has access to the support they need to thrive. This future is not just a possibility, it is within our reach, and it holds the promise of a healthier, more supportive society for all. Thanks for watching Trend AI Tech. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on AI and technology.